When you research with AI, half your tokens is burnt searching through irrelevant sources. Publishers who get crawled also earn nothing. So let's take a look at scenario 1. You ask your agent to research something and it gets hit by a paywall. And then it goes to another source where it gets fed AI slop, SEO sludge, and ad farms. And then at the final place, it can't because it has to pass the robot test. Hence, at the end of the day, you just burn tokens, and publishers who actually have good source earn nothing. This is a losing situation for both sides. Now, let's try something different. Now, let's try a different scenario with the project Winch. It has X402 nano payment, so the agent only pays for what's necessary. So it has a wallet MCP which Cloud can access to pay for sites. So it can take a look at slash preview sites and see if it is worth paying for. And if the slash preview is actually relevant, then it pays for it and gets all the data back in return. So in this way, both the agent saves money, saves tokens, and also the publisher earns money. So with this new business model, both the agent also saves tokens and the publisher also earns money. Now the setup is very simple and very straightforward. You just have to install the Winch npm package onto your source repo, and auto generates a slash preview and a slash content endpoint. The preview is available for all agents, whereas the slash content would have is behind a paywall which the agents must make a nano payment towards. And Winch has its own MCP that you can give to Claude to have tools, budget leash, and actually use Winch. Save tokens and research. 97 cents of every dollar is for the publishers, and the rest is given to the protocol, while also enabling the agents to save a lot of tokens. Up to 50% of your tokens would be saved using Winch. And right now, Winch is live on ArcNet. And now on to the live demo. You just add the npm package to your package.json, and you can see the npm package being published on npm sites. And then you can also go back and just run npm install, and it auto generates a slash preview and the slash content endpoint. So the slash preview would essentially be available for all the agents to just take a look at and see if it is relevant to what it is searching or not. And the slash content endpoint would actually contain all the content that is behind the paywall. So we have a custom MCP connector which we can set up with Cloud over here, and you give it all the permissions. And then now we're asking it to research about the Greek lepton coin, and let's just give it a minute to research about it. And now that's done, you can see that it has found 5 relevant sources which is worth paying for, and it paid the 5 sources nano payment in terms of nano payments. And you can see it used only 356 tokens and saved 319 tokens, so essentially saving half your tokens. And you can see on the live dashboard that you have all your payouts sent to a custodial wallet on the website, and then you could just select how much ever you want to withdraw, and then clicking on it, and you can see all the transaction has been done back to your wallet.